Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting true elevation, not just a prompt. First, confirm your user belongs to the administrator's group. Permission failure is usually privilege-related. Once confirmed, open Start, type CMD, right-click and choose Run as Administrator to launch an elevated shell. If UAC blocks you, you can temporarily lower or disable it via Control Panel, but make sure to reboot and re-enable UAC afterward for security. This prepares the environment so the following commands will actually execute with the needed rights. Now move from administrator to the system context, because system error 5 often blocks even admins. The reliable method is psexec, download ps tools, then run sexec sicmd. exe to spawn a system interactive shell. This bypasses many permission checks. Alternatively, enable and sign into the built-in administrator account if psexec is unavailable. Once you have the shell, verify effective rights with whoami/priv or whoami/ also you truly operate at the higher privilege level necessary to change system settings or file ACLs. With system or administrator access, fix the root cause by adjusting ACLs or ownership. Use takeown/f path/r and then iCackle's path/grant administrators, f/t to transfer ownership and grant full control. Once done, rerun the command that previously raised error 5. Make sure to revert any UAC or security changes you made. If it still fails, check group policy restrictions, file encryption, or antivirus blocking. Those often masquerade as access denied and are the one remaining hurdle to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.